Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to solve systems of equations from stories. We'll start with one kind of a story problem. On Monday, you wash 4 windows and vacuum 10 rooms and get paid a total of $50. Let's write an equation for that. So 4 times whatever I get paid for a window, 4 of them, plus 10 of whatever I get paid for a room, those will add up to $50. On Tuesday, you wash 6 windows and vacuum 3 rooms and get paid a total of $39. 6 windows. Well, yeah, 6 windows plus 3 rooms equals $39. Let's give ourselves a little room. So as I look at that one, I see that 10 and 4 do not divide evenly. I'm going to start with the other one. I'm going to start with 6w plus 3r equals 39, because 6 and 3 divide evenly. If I subtract 6w from each side, why am I subtracting the larger number? 6 being larger than 3? Well, now that is 0. So now if I divide by 3, the 6 being larger than the 3 will end up being a whole number. If I did it the other way around, I would get 1/2. This way I get 2, which is easier to work with. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1r equals 13 minus 2w. Well, if that's what r equals, let's replace r in this other equation. So we'll write everything the same except r. So instead of r, we will put 13 minus 2w. Well, I have 10 of whatever's in parentheses. So I have 10 13s and 10 negative 2w's, which would be negative 20w. Everything else is the same. I'll just bring them down. All I did was get rid of the parentheses, take care of the math, 10 of what's in the parentheses. Now I'm going to combine like terms. I have 4 minus 20, 4w minus 20w would be negative 16w. And then I have the plus 130 equals 50. And I go ahead and subtract 130 from each side, which gives us so 50 minus 50 would be 0, but 130 is 80 more than that, so this is negative 80. 130 minus 130 is 0, so negative 16 times whatever I get paid for a window is equal to negative $80. Divide by negative 16. For one window, I get paid $5. Well, if I get paid $5 per window, then this negative 2w is negative 2 times 5. So for a room, I get paid $13 minus 2 5s. 13 minus 10 is 3. So for one room, I get $3. For one window, I get $5. I can plug those back in and check and see if they really work. So let's go back up into this original equation at the top with window is 5, room is 3. Window is 5, room is 3. So 4 windows would be $20. 10 rooms would be 30. 20 plus 30, is that 50? Yes. So that checks out with this here. Let's check it here. So 6 times 5 plus 3 times 3. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 plus 3 is 9. Add them together and you get 39. So we have verified that it works. If you can plug them back in and it works for both equations, then you can get 100% no problem. Okay, so let's change the numbers a little bit and do another one. 4 windows, 10 rooms, $36. Let's change the colors a little bit. 6 windows, 3 rooms, $30. Well, 4 does not divide into 10 evenly. You can still do that, but then you're not dealing with whole numbers. So let's use whole numbers. Let's subtract the larger one. Subtract 6 windows from each side, what I would get paid for 6 windows. So 3 rooms is equal to 30 minus 6 of whatever I get paid for window. So 1 room is 1/3 of that. So for a room I get paid $10 minus 2 times whatever I get paid for a window. Now I'm going to substitute that in over here. So I write everything the same, 4 windows plus 10, but instead of room I'm going to put 10 plus 2W. Equals 36. Oops, I'll go ahead and do that in blue. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and multiply 10 tens is 100. 10 twos. Oops, I better take care of this while we're here. I see a mistake already. I put 10 plus 2W and it's 10 minus 2W. Sorry about that. So 4 windows plus $100 minus 20, 4 of whatever I get paid for 1 window, plus $100 minus 20 of what I get paid for 1 window equals 36. Combining like terms. 4 minus 20, negative 16. Subtract 100. That is negative 64. And that is negative 16. Oops, W. I lost my W. 4W minus 20W is negative 16W. We'll go ahead and divide by negative 16. So for a window I get paid $4. That means that for a room I will get paid 10 minus 2 windows, which is $4. So for a room, I get paid 10 minus 8. For a room, I get $2. We can plug those back in to check. I'll leave that to you.